Hello friends, welcome to this channel Unique Identity. First of all, a very happy Diwali for all of you. I wish all your preparation will be in success and you will get the job for the Assistant Engineer Civil Exam 2020. Hope your preparation is going well. As I told you in my previous video that I will upload one video for the important topics to be revised at the last moment. Also, some of you have requested me in the comment box to upload this video. For that only I am uploading this video. Okay. And before going to the main topic, I am requesting you to read and read. Just read and read to crack this examination. Don't involve too much in this Diwali festive, because this festive will come in the next year also, but your examination may not come next year. Okay. So please be prepared well. So in this video I will discuss what are the main topics in each subject to be covered in WBPSC 2020 exam. I think all you have read all the topics. Okay. So just for now, if you revise these subtopics only, then it will be enough for you. Also, in this video I will discuss which topics may not be asked in WBCA 2020 exam. And I am telling you that most importantly, I have made this video, rather I have chosen the topics seeing the previous year question papers. Okay. Now, the main things are that main topics have been marked in blue. Okay. And that which topics may not be asked, that are marked in black. Okay. So please mind it that important topics are marked in blue and non-important topics or unimportant topics are marked in black. Okay. And syllabus given by the WPSC is being referred here for your ready reference. Okay. So let's start. First is soil mechanics. As I told in my previous video that approximately 17 questions may come from this soil mechanics and foundation engineering. Okay. Now in soil mechanics, these properties of soil, classification, interrelationships, definition of terms used, these are important. Compaction behavior, methods of compaction, their choice, permeability and seepage, flow nets, flow under hydraulic structure, uplift and quicksand condition. These are the main topics. Earth pressure theory, stability of slope, compressibility and consolidation. These are also main topics. Also theories of consolidation, not in detail but overall view. Pressure distribution in soil, soil stabilization and soil exploration, and lastly pore water pressure. So these are the main topics for soil mechanics. Please revise related question or these topics from this subject. Okay. Next is foundation engineering. As I told that soil mechanics plus foundation engineering, total 17 questions may come. Okay. So in foundation engineering, this foundation type, selection criteria, bearing capacity, settlement laboratory, field test, coral provision, okay, types of pile, these are mainly important things. So please revise these topics in foundation engineering. Okay. Next is environmental engineering. As I told in my previous video that approximately 14 questions may come from this environmental engineering. Okay. First, water supply engineering. So here, water uses, quantity requirement, potable water quality. These are the main topics. Also treatment of water, sedimentation, coagulation, flocculation, filtration, disinfection, hardness and chemical softening, rudiments of ion exchange. These are the main topics for this water supply engineering. Okay. And also principle and methods of design of distribution system. As you know that gridiron system, T system, circular system, ring system. Okay. So these systems are mainly important. Next, another topic is wastewater engineering. So here, sanitary wastewater, storm water runoff, quantity estimation, sewage system, sewer appurtenance, characteristics of domestic sewage, typical flow sheets of primary and secondary treatment, screen, grit removal, these are the main topics. Also, you can read sedimentation, biofilter, activated sludge process, septic tank. Okay. Again, I am telling you that all these subject, all these topics has been come from the previous year. Okay. So mainly this type of, from these topics question may come. Okay. Next is pollution. Then type of pollutant, natural and man-made sources, effects of air pollution, unit systems, rudiments of control method, elements of noise pollution, community solid waste, sources and quantity characteristics, method of disposal, reuse and cycling. Just like that composting, sanitary landfill, reinsertion. Okay. So these are the method of disposal. So all these are important for the environmental engineering. Okay. Next is water resource engineering. As I told you, approximately 10 questions may come from this water resource engineering. Okay. First is hydrology. From hydrology, runoff and stream flow, measuring techniques, computation, hydrograph, computation and interpretation, groundwater estimation, measurement and characteristics. These are the main things. Okay. And next is irrigation engineering. From irrigation engineering, there are so many topics important. Type of irrigation, system and their detailed description, soil water crop relationship, types of soil, water requirement of crop, delta and duty, river training works, irrigation channel, design principle of irrigation canal, drainage channel, navigation canal, canal linings, canal outlet, water logging. Okay. So please give stress on these topics from irrigation engineering. These are very much important. Next is hydraulic structure. From hydraulic structure, different type of dams and their design principle. Design principle you may not read in detail, okay, but overview, tension, compression, effect, eccentricity, this you should know. Weir, barrage and spillways, they are different. A must question from this. Headwork, cross drainage work, falls and regulator. Also here you can read that super passage, aqueduct, siphon aqueduct, okay. So these are mainly important for water resource engineering. Next is fluid mechanics and hydraulics. From fluid mechanics and hydraulics, all the topics given in the syllabus are very much important. So that is why I am not describing all the subtopics, because you should read all the things, because question may come in deep from fluid mechanics. Okay. So from fluid properties to viscosity and definition of ideal fluid, all the things are important. So please read it in detail. Revise it in detail. Okay. Next is surveying. From surveying, classification of survey, scales, accuracy, measurement and distance by direct and indirect methods, prismatic compass, local attraction, theodolite types, measurement of elevation, trigonometric leveling, contours, errors and their correction of measurement of length, bearing horizontal angle and leveling operation, correction due to refraction and curvature, map preparation by plane table and photogrammetry, setting out direction, grades, type of curve, setting out of curve, excavation line for building foundation. These are important. Also, in my view, in surveying, area and volume also very much important, but it is not given in syllabus. But question may be asked from this area and volume. Okay, Simpson 1/3 rule or trapezoidal rule. So please read this chapter also. And in surveying, approximately 8 number of questions may come. Now, important topics for highway engineering, including traffic engineering, total 11 questions may come from this topic. So from here, planning of highway system, its classification, geometric design of highway alignment, gradient, super elevation, canvas, high distances, horizontal and vertical curves, transition curves, materials of highway construction, its properties and tests, subgrade and pavement component, type of pavements and road drainage. So these are the important things. Next is construction method and quality control measures for highway embankment, subgrade, pavement courses, bituminous surfacing. These are also important. Okay. Though I have marked in black, but these are also important. Next is origin destination studies, highway capacity and traffic control devices, traffic study, parking survey, speed, volume and delay studies and traffic signal. Okay. So please revise these topics or question related these topics. Okay. Now theory and design of structure. There are 4 things here. I mean solid mechanics, that means strength of material plus structure analysis, then design of steel structure, and then RCC design. Okay. So first is solid mechanics or strength of material. From here all the things are important except this elastic theory of failure. You may read or may not read because in the previous year no question came from this. Okay. From solid mechanics and plus structural engineering there are 6 number of question will be may be asked. Okay. So next is structure analysis. Read all in gist. Okay. So not in detail but read all the topics in gist. So from strength of material plus structure analysis total 6 number of question may come. Next is steel design. Steel design, this principle and working stress method, design of all types of connections, simple member, built up section and frames, and codal provision for design of all the steel structure including foundation, principle of ultimate load design, plastic design of continuous frame. This may not be important but you at least once you can revise it. Okay. So from steel structure there will be 4 questions, and I forgot to mention that in the structure analysis please degree of freedom is very much important thing, so please revise that also. Okay. Next is RCC design. From RCC design 6 question may come, and here limit state method of design, codal provision for design. In RCC IS 456 is very much important thing to be revised. Similarly for steel structure IS 800 is very much important to be revised. Okay. Next working stress method of design, concrete mix design, quality control, methods of pre-stressing, loss in pre-stressing and anchorages. These are the main things to be revised for RCC design. Okay. Now the last topic, that is construction material practices, planning and management. Here 9 plus 2 equal to 11 I am written because from building material 9 number of questions may come, and from CPM construction planning and management 2 number of questions may come. Okay. So firstly building material specification and codal provision you should read. That means timber, cement and bricks, stone, all the things are lime, all the things will be there. Okay. Plaster. Next is concrete technology, cement and its properties, classification, provision in IS code, properties of coarse and fine aggregate, concrete mix design as I told you previously, and laboratory concrete. These are the main topics for the building materials. Okay. So from building materials 9 number of questions may come. Similarly for construction planning or management 2 number of questions may come. From here bar chart, link bar chart, work breakdown structure, activity on arrow diagram, critical path, probabilistic activity duration, event based network, part network and crushing. These are the main topics. But sometimes resource allocation or time cost study or rescheduling of construction program may be asked in interview. Okay. So read carefully and revise carefully. This quantity serving may not be asked because in the previous year also this quantity serving has not been asked. But if you have read, it is very welcome to read this. Okay. But for the last minute, if you are searching for which is best to be revised, so these are the main topics. Okay. So this was the today's video, and I will upload in the next video. The topic will be example of some repeated question in the previous year. As I told you previously that there are some questions which are being repeated in the previous year also. So some question may be come from that repeated question. Okay. And some last minute tips in the examination hall which will be very much fruitful to you. Okay. So that's all for today. Please keep your preparation well and please study well. Just read and practice so much MCQs. Okay, from different books, and also you may previous year different state PSC, that means UPPSC or RPSC, OPPSC. So this type of state level PSC question you may revise. Okay. So that's all for today. Good luck for your exam. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and best of luck for your future endeavor.